This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink text to a web page in Google Sheets. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am on Google Sheets. Say that I wanted to hyperlink this text here to a web page. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get the URL of the web page that I'm going to hyperlink it to. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to use google.com. I'm going to open a new tab on the Google search page here. And up at the top up here in the address bar, I'm going to left click twice inside of the address bar to reveal the entire address. I'm going to copy that address by holding down my left mouse button, dragging my cursor over the URL. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go down, I'm going to click on copy. Then I'm going to jump back over to Google Sheets. Now I'm going to select the cell that the text is in. I'm going to click on the text to select the cell. I'm going to go up toward the top up here to where it says Insert. And I'm going to click on Insert. Then I'm going to go down toward the bottom down here. And I'm going to click on Link. Link. Now a little dialog box opens up here asking me what website do I want to link this text to. I'm going to paste in that URL that I just copied. I'm going to click on Apply. Now as you can see, the text is turned into a hyperlink. If I place my mouse cursor over it, I can click on Google here and it takes me to the google.com website. That is how to hyperlink text to a website in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.